You guys can see LSU replied to me. So it sounds like they just want me to join the fraternity. Like, I'm really curious. Am I banned from these colleges now? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Kegan, of course. So a few weeks ago, I made this video right here. I pranked every college in America. If you guys have not seen that, go check it out. But what you guys don't know, and I couldn't show you guys in that video yet, is there was a ton of after effects after I made that video with the colleges and people that went to the college, which I'm about to show you. So to start out, I want to show you guys some text messages from students that were going to those schools that actually texted me and asking me questions about me going there and everything. They didn't understand that I actually wasn't going to their school until I told them in the text message. So here's the first text message. You guys can see on the screen next to me. She says, "Hi, Drew, of class of 25, right?" Because Drew's some college somewhere in America. I'm not sure where. And she said, "I literally died when you put that you permed your hair in your caption." Because you guys can see on the screen, that's my caption that I wrote for all the college pages, all the student pages, whatever they're called. That is the caption that I had under all my pictures. And I replied back to her, "I'm actually not going there." I kind of felt rude saying that to her because these people kind of thought I was going to their college, but I'm not at all. So then I continued to say, "I did a TikTok trend on a bunch of colleges and thanks." And she said, "Laugh my ass off. I love that for you." So she just took the whole thing as a joke. She wasn't mad at all. That was really good. And I replied back, "Yeah, I'm really sorry if you thought I was going to that college or anything like that, because like I don't want to be rude to random people. I don't want to be rude at all." And she replied back, "Bro, don't worry about it. I literally DM'd you just saying I literally laughed so hard reading your caption." So if you guys saw the video where I made the caption, "I pranked every college in America," I really didn't try on the caption at all. I just pretty much wrote a bunch of crap in it. Like, it was not serious at all. So I replied back to her, "Oh, well, I didn't take the caption that serious at all." And she said, "I figured." Well, yeah, other people can obviously tell I didn't take it that serious too. So that's kind of crazy. So a couple other text messages that I got, you guys will be able to see on the screen next to me on one of the sides. But the one person was asking, "Do I have a roommate?" Which honestly, I kind of felt kind of cool when they asked me that. Like, I look cool enough, they think I'm cool enough to be a roommate. Another person was just introducing themselves in the college that they're going to. It was Bridgewater College. So they were just introducing themselves, just being nice. So I really appreciated that. Another text message that I got, you guys can see on the screen next to me, was pretty much them introducing themselves again and just welcoming me to the East Coast, which honestly, that was pretty cool. All these people just seem really chill. But I got one problem. I don't know how to reply to these people and not say it in a rude type of way, like, "Hey, I'm actually not going to your school." So I don't want it to sound mean or anything. So if you guys have any ideas on how to say that in any type of way, because I don't know how to say it, please drop it down below in the comments. But then after those 3-4 messages, you guys just saw I received 2 really long messages. One of them was from somebody that works in one of the clubs at the college. You guys can see the message next to me on the screen. It says, "Hey, my name is Kate. I'm a spiritual advisor for a club at Ryder called Inner Varsity Christian Fellowship." So the way they made it just sound like it is a pretty big club at the college. So then they continue to say, "It has been hard to connect in this weird year of isolation and loneliness. I noticed you are an incoming freshman and would love to help you get connected at the writer community even before you start classes in the fall. Would love to share with you about our clubs. Do you have 5 to 10 minutes for a IG FaceTime to learn more?" So they wanted to FaceTime me on Instagram, and it sounds like they want to tell me more about the clubs, the college, and pretty much just the community around the college, which I don't see a problem with. That's actually pretty cool. Then they continued to say, "Feel free to check out our IG and see what we're about. We're not just Ryder, but we're all over New York and New Jersey." And then they dropped their Instagram below that, which honestly, I thought that was pretty cool. They're trying to bring people together. Before I read you guys the second really long message, because this one's just as long as the last one I just read, honestly, I appreciate everyone that texted me from the colleges. If it was the club advisor that just texted me or any of the others, none of the messages were rude at all. Everybody was chill. Everybody was nice. So I really did appreciate that. But the second really long message, you guys can see on the screen next to me, it's long. I want to say it's just as long as the first one. Maybe a little shorter, but it's pretty long. And it says, "What's good? I hope you're doing well. My name's Jonathan. Bro, I don't even know how to say this guy's name. I already feel bad. And I am a brother of the keen, most trusted fraternity, Sigma Beta Tua." I think I'm saying that right, but honestly, that's pretty cool. A fraternity's texting me. And then he continued to say, "I just wanted to reach out and see if you were interested in Greek life. You get to meet a variety of people, discover new things. If this is something that you would be interested in, my fraternity is the way to go as we focus on the importance of building brotherhood and community." So it sounds like they just want me to join the fraternity. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or check out our Instagram. Hope to hear from you soon. So honestly, that's another big problem. I don't know how to text this guy because like it'd probably be cool to join a fraternity and all that in college if I was actually going, which I'm not. But I don't want to text back to this guy and be like, yo, I'm not even going to your college, because I don't want him to take that in a rude way. Be like, dang, I just wasted my time texting this guy this long paragraph for him just to say, I'm not even going to your college. That's just rude, I feel like. And those were the 2 longest messages I got from other people going to the colleges. But now I get to show you guys the best part. The colleges that responded back after I made that video. Because some colleges did respond back, and some of the colleges that responded back are absolutely huge. So the first one that responded back, you guys can see the screenshot of it on the screen. It's Purdue WF, class of 25. They responded back, hi, this page is incoming Purdue Fort Wayne students, which is a different campus from Purdue West L'Enfant. I think I'm saying that right. I'm sure if you look it up, they should have a page. Sorry for the confusion, which I didn't respond back because I feel like the only way I could have responded back is like, yeah, this is the school I'm going to. Like, I didn't get it confused. I don't know what you're talking about, which I didn't really understand what they're talking about to begin with. Why did they say that? I don't understand. Maybe they looked at my page and they just didn't want to be rude to me and be like, yo, we're not putting you on the page. They just made me confused, which whatever. I guess we'll just move on to the next school then. The next school is LSU, class of 25. They said, hi, we appreciate you and we'll get you posted ASAP. They said they'll post me. All right, no problem then. Then I continue to read on. We are asking everyone to Venmo that account $2 to assure this account remains as beneficial as possible for those actually attending LSU in the fall. Thank you so much. So they want me to pay $2 to be posted on an Instagram account. Why? There's a part of me that feels like there's just like a group of people running all these college accounts that are charging like $2, $3, $5 to get posted on there. Then they're just gonna like split the money within that group. Like everyone gets like $50 or something like that at the end of it, because that's how much money they made together. Like there's multiple groups asking for money, and it's kind of messed up, I feel like. Yeah, because like that kind of keeps people like me away that are just trying to do a TikTok trend, because we're not going to pay $2. But to the people actually going to the school, they still have to pay $2 or $5 or whatever. Like that's not a lot of money, but it's still kind of messed up. But the last school to reply to me, you guys can see, is ACU, class of 2025, and they sent me this. Hey Wildcats, we are behind on posts and slowly catching up. If you could, please be patient and send us a reminder text that you haven't been posted. That would be amazing. And please have proof of acceptance. So I just didn't reply to that, because then they were just going to ask a proof of acceptance, which of course you guys know I don't have. So it kind of sucks that I didn't get on like 50 college pages, 100 college pages, of course. As you guys can see on the screen next to me, I am still on 10 college pages. Even though it's been like 2 weeks, they still have me up and haven't realized that this is just a TikTok trend. I'm not going to their college at all. So that was all the after effects of pranking every college in America so far. I'm not sure how many more colleges are going to add me on their pages, or people are going to text me from those colleges. I'm not sure yet. But I'm going to end the video off right here, guys. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. We are on the road to 2K. But everybody else, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.